We're from Austin, Texas, home of keeping it weird. And we're looking for a house to restore, but not just any house, a special kind of a house, the one with a story and a history, the spooky one, the one you might avoid on a dark night. So come along as we search for just the right house somewhere in a small town in Texas. Hold this.
A little baby
Hold
one?
this. Hold this.
I need something more robust than this. I'm gonna die.
It has 3 shots of espresso.
Oh.
You're gonna be just
You
fine.
want me to run there?
Oh, what's going on?
Probably wait for your driving.
I don't know why you took your seatbelt off.
Look, woman, I gotta like stop, drop, and roll when you drive. All right. Carry on, my friend.
Oh, why would you try to turn that way? Are you kidding me?
Are you gonna be okay today?
3 shots of espresso.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Oh my God, you've got to be kidding me right now.
It's like a little baby cup.
Babe, it has 3 shots of espresso.
Bad. And on this episode of House Hunting with the Honeymooners, apparently, we're headed to the town of Marlin.
Marlin. Which, by the way, if any of you have actually watched our videos, we've actually been to this town before. A great house in the middle of a shitty neighborhood. Yeah, this one, I don't think this one is it. The town is not impressive, but this time, the house is impressive. You should always just use the phone. You should always just use the phone.
Right.
You should just use this for the garage.
Probably.
It doesn't work.
Anyways, we're headed about, 20 minutes south of Waco. You know.
You know? That's it? That's what you got?
I was thinking, the espresso hasn't kicked in yet.
Cortado.
Ugh. That was for later.
Okay. Cortado.
I mean, it's like 19 degrees. This guy's got his boat out. It's hardcore, man.
30 degrees.
It feels like 19. It's like over the river and through the woods to grandmother's house we have.
Yeah, and then he speeds up.
Oh, he's just fucking with you at this point.
Falls County.
So far, it's Shitsville.
Oh yeah, this street, it's gonna take us right to the, yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the way we came in last time. Yeah, like that. I remember seeing that.
Oh yeah, that's high-end real estate here.
You're gonna be fine. Yes, I remember this. I swear the safe was right there. It is! I told you it was Marlin. It was not Lot. It was Marlin. I told you. I remember this.
It's a cute little town, sorta.
You know, it's okay. It's not bad. Ooh, there's an antique mall.
Someplace to go hang out.
It's not, I mean, it looks just like any other rundown little Texas town.
If you've ever been to Tijuana, here we are.
No. There's a hospital. It's just, you know, a little... Hey, you know what? When you see an H-E-B grocery store, you're living large. You're in a good town. When they have the, what is it, the Brookshire Brothers? Or the Dollar Tree,
turn
and that's...
left onto Walker Street.
Okay.
Then turn left onto Coleman Street.
There's a Dollar Tree.
Oh, look at that.
In half a mile, turn right onto Foster Street.
Shanties. We're in Shantytown. That was pretty. Is this where we were last time?
Yes.
Look at that house. Out there,
This
sir.
town used to be something. About 100 years ago.
That one had a fire. That one had fire. Yeah, there's the piece of shit house that we saw last
The
time.
blue one?
Yeah. Somebody bought it. No, somebody bought it. Look, they're building. They have a
Past
brace
the
on it.
street. Then turn right
It's
onto
falling
Foster
down.
Street.
Remember that one?
Yeah.
That's all boarded up, that nobody loves. It's right by the house, with the dog that's out.
Let's make friends. Don't run them over.
The house is beautiful.
The destination is on your left. Arrived.
Actually looks like in really good shape.
One block down from there, like right here, that you felt at that. Oh, you did? Okay, awesome. Then stuff inside, oh yeah, you probably saw it when you were here looking at that block down from there, like right here, that you felt at that. Oh, you did? Okay, awesome.
He was trying to warm the house for you guys before getting here. Okay.
Very thoughtful.
Yeah, so no central heating and air, I'm assuming.
You guys are not as cold. It's a cold day today. It's colder than yesterday, right?
Yes, very much so. Last night. But this thing, hey man, this puts out some heat. So no central air or heat. I don't know how they lived here in the summer. All this
The
time.
tall ceilings make a big difference when it comes to.
Yeah, it was just my mom. It was just my mom and dad. So they just kind of, they was in the sitting room. They just ran apart.
A home of this age. With
Now, when I was growing up,
that far,
it was pretty
right?
that far. Yeah.
Was just to restore it, right? Just to keep it and restore it. I love that.
You can tell how sturdy the house is by that. Yeah.
It was done.
Was it by your parents?
The garage door. If I remember.
My daughter just graduated from high school.
He did. I think his reason for doing that was
Sorry, no,
just to cover.
Wow.
You know, that's it.
What is the name of the? It has been.
Oh, you did? Do you like it? Also, you have that big hotel there.
Yeah.
Modern light fixture in there, so.
Is that electric?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what do you think?
I'm actually in love and obsessed with this house.
Awesome.
This is the one. This is it. This is it.
It does have a 4-car garage and a 3,000 square foot shop in the back. I'm not complaining about that.
1.5 acres, lots of land, cute little neighborhood.
And the owners were eccentric weirdos like us, so it's perfect.
How do I
But
get out of
all
here?
original, untouched for the most part, other than having drywalled, updated electrical and plumbing.
We had the realtor with us and the owner's son, so we couldn't take as much video as we would like to. But if we buy it, that one has quite a lean on it. If we buy it, you'll be able to see all of it. And it really does not need that much work. I mean, some cleaning, some TLC. Are you kidding me? It's not even that bad. What, there's some bathroom updates, some carpet rip out.
But they were living in it, so it is a livable house.
Yeah.
Yes.
It was, I mean, honestly, aside from, the bathrooms needing to be updated, And that terrible texture on the wall, on the stair wall. Oh, the stucco. No. Look at that guy. Taxidermy guy. And see this street, how fucked up this street is? But that street's not like that.
Now that I've drained my bladder.
I'm gonna get on the freeway right here and see how long it takes us to get to Waco.
Okay.
Okay?
Do you want to? All right, that's fine.
I will tell you something.
So relax in.
That looks a little sketchy.
This gas station's pretty sketchy,
Was it?
but they got tacos. Sign of a fine establishment.
Here's the thing. We have looked at lots of houses. Lots and lots of houses. Most of the house situation, the houses needed a lot of work. They were weird. Things just didn't work out. The house in Moody was great, but it literally didn't even have a street. It was a dirt road. This house has a great layout. The house itself is actually not that big. It's the huge garages, the wood shop. There's a wood shop, and the shop that is way bigger than the house. The house is actually not even that big.
Right.
I think it has huge potential. I really don't think it needs that much work. I mean, in the grand scheme of things,
Right.
like, you know, rebuild, blah, blah. I mean, the porch, nothing's falling apart. These people took such great care of it.
Yeah.
I think it could be epic.
Could be. All right, let's go.
How am I gonna sell you on this?
I don't know. Maybe after lunch I'll be thinking better.
Okay.
All right, Waco it is.
Let's time and see how long it takes us to get to Waco.
Ugh.
All right, so do you want to get on your mobile device and find us a place to have lunch?
Yes.
Okay, do that.
Yeah, the evil step cousins of Chip and Joanna. You are correct.
Yes, I just feel like it's so appropriate. It's like you go into Waco and you do all of the silos and the bakery and the shiplap, and then you want to come to the dark side and you go to the Macabre Manor. I mean, it's just the antithesis, the exact opposite of
Yeah.
I mean, it's just, I feel like it's just poetic.
Yeah.
And I want to buy it before they find it. They'll gut it, and they'll put the shiplap in it, and they'll make it country. I gotta get it. I gotta get it. I'm telling you. I feel it in my bones. This is it. And there was no bad juju in there.
No.
None. Not haunted in the least. I like the bridge. What river is this? The Brazos?
I don't know. Brazos.
Brazos.
Right.
It is so pretty. It's gonna be here on the right-hand side.
Yes.
This big brick one right here, right?
Yes, that is the hotel that Chip and Joanna Gaines own.
Where's the entrance? Right there?
Yeah.
Can I turn down this way, or is it one way?
Well,
There we go.
live on the edge.
That's valet only. Hotel 1928. Look how cute it is! Oh, I could probably park right there. That's valet only, but it doesn't say anything right here.
All right, do it.
Skinny's repair shop. Oh, that's a spot. All right, I could do it. Let me turn around. How cute is this house? Why is that for sale? Yeah, go, fucker.
Oh, nice lodge. Look at that.
Well, that's what this was. That's the lodge, and this was the temple. Do you remember?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. I'm cold.
Best doors ever. I love it. You gonna be all right there, Linda?
Yeah.
All right. So it's been about a week, and after enjoying our most delicious brunch at the 1928 hotel, which if you ever get a chance to go to Waco, you have to go get the pancakes. They're the best thing ever. However, one big update on the house is we have officially put an offer in on it. You know, Laura's lowball BS offer was, you know, we'll see if it's rejected or not, but we think it's going to be a good one. So one thing that's interesting about the offer is it's the house and it's the entire estate. So it's all the internals, it's vehicles, it's anything on the property. It's a very bizarre purchase. So I'm trying to work those numbers out and figure out what, you know, can and cannot, and all that good stuff. Right. So the Macabre Manor is in queue, as they say.
It's in queue.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so to rewind, our last house we looked at, the house in Taylor, we did a video on that, and we were potentially looking at buying that one. But the owners, the owner's kids had seen our video on the YouTubes, and we got in trouble. So we had to pull that video, and then they called me an a-hole. So then we didn't buy that house, simply out of spite. But it apparently had sold anyway, so.
They didn't need us.
It's fine, it's fine. Anyways, wish us luck. We'll keep you in the loop.
Okay, so word on the street is that we got the house. So there's Mr. Anderson. We are driving because I can't help myself. I found some chairs that I think are going to be epic in the new house, and we have to go pick them up. They're kind of big, so we decided to take Mabel out for a ride, and we are hoping that she makes it there. This is technically like her maiden voyage. It's about, what, like an hour away?
1 hour away.
1 hour.
So it's either going to make it or it's going to burn up on the side of the road. Either way, we're living on the edge.
We're giving it a whirl. So you might see us on the side of the road. Oh, this truck decided to pull out. Just a note to, you know, the public, don't pull out in front of a hearse, or you're going to meet Jesus way sooner than you thought you were. That is all. My intention.
Well, fucking made it. A whole hour. Nothing blew up, fell off, or killed us.
If you couldn't hear us in the last video, we said we were coming to pick up some chairs in Temple, which is about an hour away from where we live. And this is Mabel's first voyage.
Oh, well, first on the neighborhood without something falling off the damn thing.
It's first time out of the neighborhood without something falling off. And we made it. We made it.
Transmission shifts like butter. Motor's complete garbage, by the way. Screw you, Johnny Chop. It's fine. We're going to get through that, but it runs. Yes. Best day ever.
I don't know anything about that stuff.
All right, well, whatever.
But we made it. Oh, and we're here because I'm picking up some chairs.
Yeah.
Wait till you see them. They're epic. Epic.
Good day, good day, good day.